Previously.
Goodbye to the mini fridge. I wanted to be able to kind of also clean it straight up and then press it. Goodbye to the mini fridge. Goodbye to the mini fridge. Okay, let me explain. I was literally about to take a date to take this to the recycling plant. Like literally, I know you don't believe me, and that's totally understandable. Has it honestly fulfilled its potential? Okay, so here's the idea. So what I want to do is lift this up, straighten out, and hold it with one arm. Strength and balance don't even out. I can lift a huge amount more when I have a barbell. I should do some stuff, shouldn't I? On the head, right. Then what we want to do is we want to lift it up and inside the balance. Now I'll tell you exactly why I'm not going to do that. On the side here is the components of the fridge. All this stuff is empty, which means all the weight is over here. Unlike a barbell, if I stick my hand right in the middle of the barbell, I'll have the middle of the weight, right? That makes sense? No! On the mini fridge, not on any fridge. Step one, to lift this without being on the unicycle. So after a little bit of thought, if I open this, there's a shelf. So I do end up wearing the fridge, which is not ideal. So this is the heavy side. We want that on the inside. Then that obscures my beautiful face. Okay, so we've got it balanced. The store is shit, but be productive on a Sunday when hell freezes over. Welcome to Scotland. Hell can fuck off. It's Sunday, it's cold, it's actually warmer in this fridge because it's not plugged in. Considering not only am I more fatigued than the last attempt, but also I've just come back from bouldering. I have destroyed my hand. Good job it's not the hand that I'm going to use. It is, it's the hand I'm going to use. It's day 2, I'm fucked. But more importantly, it's actually very windy. But let's give it a go, there's always something to learn. And as long as I don't injure my other hand, I'll be fine. So somehow, I've injured my other hand. Conditions aren't perfect. But when I think about it, the mere practice of unicycling is to achieve something without the prerequisite number of wheels. I'll give it a go. And if I end up without the prerequisite number of hands, then it could be a sign that today is not the day. I just wanted to come and show you this. Look at that. We're not playing games, people. That appeared almost immediately as well. In the film Enter the Dragon, boards don't hit back. It didn't include fridges. Suppose I'll need to get rid of this fridge then.